Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So let's talk about seed heads, but first, I'm going to give you an update on the chipping green. We had a nice rainstorm last night, and it pounded this sand down up under the canopy of the grass. So I wanted to do a cleanup today, and I got out here, and I went ahead and I cut it. So those of you are saying, oh, that's a huge no-no, you're going to dull your bed knife and your reel, da-da-da-da-da. That's what backlapping's for. So I'll paper test the reel to the bed knife, and if there is an issue, I'll backlap it. No big deal. Here is the fringe, the apron. Getting a nice little differentiation there. Now let's talk about seed heads. What are seed heads? My lawn has got a little white haze to it right now, and it's caused by seed heads. And I detest seed heads, and they are all across the front yard. Why do I get them? It's just the changing of the seasons and temperatures, the yard's natural mechanisms kicking in, shooting seed heads up. They'll go away in a few weeks, and that'll be it. I'm gonna try to find you a good spot here. So, what is a seed head? These have all been double cut today, so it's hard to find a good example. But if I can even get that to show up, I'm gonna try though. But a seed head looks something like that, okay? And they'll pop up all over your yard. Now I can look down through the forward strips where I cut going that way, and I can see it, white strip. What can you do to combat seed heads? I mean, you just gotta cut often with a sharp blade. And when I say often, depends on how bad that your seed head outbreak is, but that could be every other day, minimum 3 times a week if you want to keep your yard from looking bad. The other thing you can do is PGR, plant growth regulator. That slows the growth of your lawn down. Thus, it'll slow the growth of the seed heads down. And so you can combat it that way. But it's just a stage, if you have a good, healthy lawn, that you got to put up with. That's it for right now. Here's a look going down that way, this way, this way, this way. It's about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday, June the 2nd. Cloud cover right now, so everything's not popping with the sun out in shadows. But that's it. Bermuda Brian, out.